If you're looking to get better at speaking or become a professional speaker, you have come to the right place. I'm going to tell you 3 mistakes that I made when I started my speaking career 10 years ago now. I'm now a Forbes top rated speaker. I speak all over the world, and I'm the creator of Mic Drop Workshop, and I'm on a mission to get more women paid keynote spots because only 30% of speakers out there are women, and I'm on a mission to change that. So, mistake number one, I focused way more on pitching myself and my story rather than pitching the value that I can provide an audience. So in Mic Drop Workshop, we call this a transformation promise. So what was the audience doing before, and how are they going to be different after hearing you speak? So it doesn't need to be a huge transformation, but what's the value that you're going to bring the audience? What's the problem that you're going to solve? And then your story is the way that you help them do that. Number two, I wish that I had spent less time focusing on the words on my website and more time trying to just gather any kind of footage of me speaking. Speakers with demo reels, like a quick 1 minute like teaser, are 4 times more likely to get booked than speakers without any video, because video is kind of like a sampler, a taster of the meal that they're going to get when they order you, when they book you. So even if you don't have any footage yet, there are really quick, free, easy ways that you can do that in a DIY setting, which I can share more about. Third mistake that I made when becoming a public speaker is I focused more on cold outreach and tried to do as much cold outreach as I could instead of forming alliances and partnerships with other speakers. That's why in Mic Drop Workshop, we have a closed community of women speakers who are just there to support and refer each other to opportunities. Because most of the time when you speak at an event, they're not going to book you to speak for another couple of years because their audience just heard you speak. So it's no skin off your back after you speak at an event to say, hey, are you looking for another speaker for your next event? They always say yes. And then you can refer other women who are what we call speaker sisters, and help kind of keep the good going and keep getting women on stages. So those are the 3 things that I would do differently. A lot of it is just working smarter, not harder, which I would love to teach you. So click the link below, register for my free training, and I'll see you there.